Hey guys, I just went to my local Disney store and they had one box left of the die-cast Disney cars. This was released last year, but I wasn't able to get it. So I just bought it right away. And here they are. These seem to be exactly like the ones from my previous review. It seems to be the bigger die-cast collection, not those tiny ones. Just like the previous box from Carstoon, these are really well secured. I got this box for $80, so that's like $4 each. And they are pretty big, just like the other ones I have from Carstoon, 4 inches long. This one is the McQueen, Lightning McQueen, with car racer with all the stickers. Chick Hicks, the King, number 43, Dynaco race car. And here is Doc Hudson, also known as Hornet. And here we have Ramon. This is the Sheriff from Radiator Springs. This one is called Wingo. Very nice custom paint job. This one is called Snot Rod. McQueen again with the custom paint job. Really nice paint job, glossy. DJ. Nice wheels. Dude, this one is Fillmore. Fantastic paint job. Let me show you the back. Here we have Luigi and Guido. Dynaco helicopter. Miss Sally. Lovely Porsche. And very nice detail on the license plate. Flo. Lovely Flo from the diner. And she has sparkling paint job. Let me try to show you. And this one you guys know is Mater. And here we have the Angry Sarge. The tractor. And this fire truck, it's simply called Red. Now my collection is complete. Here are my 48 die-cast cars. Alright guys, thanks for watching my videos and feel free to ask me any questions you might have. See you next time.